Whitby was born out of a simple question: how do we make sure that video services delivered to end users are working properly? And so our approach is kind of unique because we do video service monitoring on real devices. We connect any kind of consumer device that people use to watch TV, such as OTT boxes like an Apple TV, a Google streamer, any operator set-top box, but also mobile devices, gaming consoles, and most recently we saw also a lot of smart TVs being added to the mix. It creates a real problem in order to make sure that their services are really working properly on any device. And if you look at one smart TV manufacturer, they can use up to 6-7 different OSs. So it means that even for one manufacturer, you can have 6 or 7 versions of your app. And for people who are building these apps, it's extremely complicated to make sure it's all working for their customers. As we see this complexity explode, internally our product has changed drastically over the last 12 months, and it's never been that easy to deploy our technology. Agentic SDK that we recently released allows our customers to write one test script, which represents that user behavior on the device. But that test script that used to be device-based now works across any type of device, any type of smart TV, but also OTT streamers and even mobile devices.
The R&D thinking behind the Agentic SDK is to use both AI and more traditional algorithm, because AI is good at a lot of stuff like navigation, taking decision, error recovery when there is unexpected behavior. But we have regular algorithms that we have invested in for years that are way better for measuring performance, buffering, video quality. This is issue AI is not intended to solve.
Thankfully, with the Agentic SDK, you can directly fine-tune the amount of AI that you are using, the amount of autonomy that the testing has. So how frequent you can give the wheel to the AI to be in self-driving mode compared to how much you want to explicitly define how you want the robot to interact in case of an error or something unexpected is happening. And here what you can see is that the AI agent skip a pop-up coming from the system is automatically skipping the user survey that was sent by YouTube, or is on this case automatically skipping the promoted content from HBO Max that wanted to upsell to the customer. All of this is unexpected, but there was no need to script it or to create the test case around it. The AI took over when it needs to be. Now the QA team members have an ability to really focus on giving a great feedback to the dev team and to make sure that they can accelerate the time to market and scaling the overall testing.
Everything is going very, very fast, and we have new features and updates every day, every week. The R&D department is working so fast. So sign up to our newsletter, go check our website. We'll update the content as much as we can so that you are up to date to our latest technology.